Hata mnaweza piga nduru.
Makiaria mucemanio-ini wa andiki a mohoro guku muciini wa Nairobi, arigitani aya matongoretio ni muikariri giti wa kiama kia arigitani bururi-ini Winnie Shena marokire kumenereria ikinya riu makiuga aruna ao matire mahitia mekite.
We empathize with the family that lost their patient, and as nurses we don't condone patients dying in hospitals, and therefore we pray that they be comforted. However, nurses do not assure security of patients. They are not watchmen. They can assure safety of patients, but not security.
Tumelaumu vikali sana kitendo ambacho kimefanyika, ambapo wauguzi ambao walikuwa kazini na mfanyakazi mwingine msaidizi wamewekwa mbaroni bila mashtaka yote.
So all of a sudden what has changed? They were not even preferred charges as of yesterday. The lawyer did not even know what they were being charged for.
Kuringana na arigitani acio, arwaru atandatu magireirwo ni kurorwo ni murigitani umwe. No muthenya uria murwaru ucio oragirwo, no arigitani eritu mari wira na nio maroraga arwaru 28.
Muthenya ucio ri wari na arwaru 28. Ugigaira nurses eri kwoguo onasi agiru korwo na arwaru 14. Kwoguo ona kindu giki happen he murwaru ungiri ndungihota kumenya.
Mathiete na mbere kuga ati ni makarurungana nginya igoti-ini Jumatatu mwena wa Kibera, kuria arigitani acio matanyitwo gugakinyo niguo kurugama na aruna ao.
Gwakinya Monday othe Kenyatta tugukorwo Kibera court niguo kumahe support.
Monday they should be all, the nursing profession has been taken to court, has been sued. We will all be in Kibera. Tutafunga Kenyatta Monday twende Kibera.
Maragitari ya Kenyatta ri na nurses ya Kenyatta ri matirira urumwe tondu maragitari maraingirira wira wa nurses na nikio tutarenda tondu nio maratuma riu nurses mainyiririo.
Ningi ni moretie ateti kugia na uigirирiki wira-ini wao na gutiga kuingirira mawira ma arigitani.
The parliamentarians, we are not going to take this lying down as the nurses in this country. We are going to do everything that we can. Everything that we can.
Wanasiasa wapeleke siasa yao Uhuru Park na Tononoka na huko kwa bunge. Wasilete siasa yao Kenyatta. Hatutaki kuwaona hapa Kenyatta.
Oho ni moretie thirikari kugacirithia ugitiri thibitari-ini ya Kenyatta niguo arigitani matikage kuruta wira mari na haho ya gutharikirwo. Gladys Kigo, Inooro TV.